Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna model a mug by using the Rhinoceros 5 and please don't forget to give a like, share and to subscribe. I even need your comments. Let's go. And here we are inserting a picture of a mug. Gonna refer to. Okay, it's done. And then we're gonna use a line. We are going to draw a line just to take a form of this mark, and we will take only half of it and its handle. Then we are going to draw the shape of the handle. Okay, done. And then these two lines, that's all we're gonna use just to model that mark. By you can see that one line have a sharpness, and we're gonna double it by using offset command. Just give out two identical lines. But the identical lines are still open on the top. And we're gonna use a blend CRF command just to join them. And we're gonna revolve them just to create a form with a volume. And we're gonna revolve it to 360 degrees. Okay. And now we're gonna go with handle, and we're gonna use a cycle around the curve. And we will use sweep 1 command to make that curve revolve itself to that cycle. Okay, here we have our mug and the handle. And we're gonna put our handle to our mug, and you can see we have a mug with handle. Just same to the one we referred to. You can rotate, see all sides. Okay, that's our mug. That's our lesson for today. Thanks for watching.